you don't run your ad on TikTok directly by making your payment. You run your ad on TikTok by using your coins, the coins that you purchase with your card. There are a lot of things that are being done with coins. And the first one is for you to be able to gift people. And another thing that you can do with your coins is for you to be able to, you know, change your coins into money. And another thing you can do with your coins is to enable you to run TikTok ad. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a coins on TikTok. Please don't click out of this video. Help me to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you're coming across my video for the first time, I welcome you. And from my old subscribers and my old friends, thank you for always watching and thank you for always being there for me. Let's dive into the video of the day. So, first, I'm going to open my new tab, then type TikTok, tiktok.com. I'm using this. Then this is it. I'm going to use this one. I'm doing this through, I'm doing this with my laptop. This process, I'm going to do it with my laptop. So let's continue. So this is my profile. This is as you can see here, this is my profile. If I open it, you're going to see all my videos here, but that's not why we are here. So I'm going to come to this place here. Then I'm going to go to get coins. So it has appeared here, and if I have made a lot of transaction, when I click there, it's going to show me all the whole transaction I made. Yes, I've made transaction. That's why you see me. I've made transaction before, and that's why I have made transaction before. I think it has wiped out, and this is the coins. I have the coins I have left in my wallet. This is coins that I was gifted with. If I want to turn these coins or change it now, I think it's going to be something like 500 naira or thereabout. I want to change this coin, and if I want to buy the one of 1,400, which is the least in this space, I think this is the least, and this is the highest one, 12,700. But if I want to buy these coins, I can click on it, or better still, come on customize, and here you will see where they say 30 to 2005. So how many coins do I want to buy? I can say I want to buy um 30 coins. I can say I want to buy 30 coins, and 30 coins is 8 is here 30 coins is 583 naira, 83 naira, and I'm going to be using my Visa card to do this coin buying. Then you come down, I've clicked on it, I've already selected how many coins I want to buy, which is 30 coins. Then I'm going to tell it to recharge here. So it has opened. As you can see what it tell me, that I want to buy 30 coins. My payment method is Visa card, which I'm going to click on. Then it tell me to input my card. Then after I finish inputting my card, the next thing I'm going to do is to tell it to pay. I'll click here on pay. It says payment processing. So I'm going to they have sent me OTP for me to enter. So I'll finish entering the OTP and I'm going to tell it to submit. The payment is processing. After you finish putting the OTP they sent for you in your phone, that is all, and you will see your coins reflect in your balance. Thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe, share and like this video. See you in my next. Bye.